Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to see the important plastic making process, which is lamination. We do lamination again and again on every day or on a particular day when it is required. So how it is done, we are going to see in this video. In lamination, basically two things are required: your normal craft paper and resin. Craft paper and resin totally coating together make your laminated product. So these products are subjected to various chipping and snoring processes, and different color and contrast of laminates can be produced. So in this diagram you can see there is a craft paper. Craft paper is nothing but your normal paper which is used for covering a book. Then resins are used, and finally your laminated object is being prepared. Resin is nothing but your adhesive which is getting coated on your craft paper, which is nothing but a material which forms a paper bag. So it is getting coated and your raw material is prepared, which is again can be used for your further lamination process. So the first process is impregnation of your plastic. In this, depending on the thickness of the material, that is your craft paper, it has been coated with your resin. So it is coated with the resin, and again it has been used in the other product. As I have told you, thickness plays a very important role in coating. And for coating, there is a bathtub of resin which can be a melamine resin, and it is coated properly for going to the second process, which is curing. The second process is a curing process. What happens? Your craft paper, which is resin coated, is being cured. That is being subjected to drying. So in this way, it gets dried properly, but coating of the resin get impregnated or stay on your craft paper. Now finally what happens? Your coating plated craft paper are thermosetted. That is, they are made to thermosetting plastic. So what is done is they are compressed at a certain pressure within a certain temperature. So compression takes place like if 3-4 craft paper which are coated with resin are compressed together to form a thermosetting plastic. Also, a single sheet of a craft paper which is thermosetted can be resin coated, and a single sheet of craft paper which is laminated again can be formed. So in this diagram we can see the final finishing stage, like your thermosetting plastic is made. It is being finished by passing it through different rollers so that your final objective is achieved. So there are many advantages of a laminated product. The process is very slow and do not have any kind of noise, and the other advantages are listed. So laminated products are non-corrosive as well as they are water resistant. If I'll talk about the disadvantages, stresses play a very important role. So due to stresses, impregnation of the material can occur. So some of the disadvantages are listed of laminations. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and do subscribe our channel, Ekeeda.